Hey there, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to add a border to a shape in Canva. So let's get started. So first of all, let me just go to the elements on the left side and then drag a shape into the timeline. So in the Canva space. So after that, what you can simply do is to let's just make it bigger like this. All right. Then if we just select this shape, then if you go to the border style, we'll see there are lots of border style available here. So for my case, I will go with this one, and then you can adjust the border size like this. As you can see, we got a black border. So then if you just want, as you can see, this border is not rounded, so we can also round this from here. So how we can do that is simply just go with the border style as well, and then you need to increase this so that it just rounds the background or border. All right, so if you just want a solid border, you can go with this. Rather than that, you can also go with these lines as well. So this will bring up a unique taste in your borders. So after that, if you just want to make your border like go different in color, you can simply go with the border color right over here on the upper side. Then you can go with different colors, like I'm going with the red and pink and many more. You can use it. All right, after that, if you just want it like the borders only appear, no inside solid colors, then you can also do that by going to the color option right over here, and you need to select the no color option. And as you can see, we got a border without any color. So that's how you can simply add border to a shape in Canva. So hope this video helps you out. If yes, please leave a like and comment down below if it works or not, and have a great day.